Okay, so hi, this is Wendy Strgar, and I am your neighborhood loveologist. And in addition to all the other things that I do with my life, I make products, I produce radio shows. My favorite thing to do, the thing that is most satisfying for me, is when I write and teach and learn and speak about love. And so this is just call these love minutes, and take some time and take this in. But a week ago, I was at a conference in San Francisco, and it's called the Science and Non-Duality Conference. It happens twice a year, one time here in the US and one time in Europe. And I was lucky enough to go and have my reporter hat on, and I met some incredible quantum physicists there, spiritual teachers. So that was a very interesting blend of people, as you can imagine. Sadly, no one had anything to say about sex, but I have more to say on that in a minute. What they did talk about was this, that the nature of the universe that we have known and believed to be true all these years is actually just a very limited view of the totality. So what quantum physics teaches us is this, that in fact all matter, me, everything that you see around you that's solid, Newtonian physics, is actually just the surface layer of what the reality is. Real reality, all matter, human beings, pets, cats, dogs, furniture, breaks down into energy, and more specifically energy waves. Okay, so fast forward, second presentation. The universe, in fact, my husband studies astronomy, so he's really into the stars, right? And how far away is the moon and Jupiter and Pluto? I mean, that's just our universe. But when you look at how far we can see with these mega, unbelievable, fantastic NASA telescopes that are out in space, we've got a view of 100 million years. 100 million light years. 100 million light years. How big is that? That's like Star Trek big. That's like beam me up. That's like so far away that until you can get beamed up, it's a dream. It's not even real. But that's how far we can actually see and witness, however far that is. These quantum physicists had this massive PowerPoint that showed that entire universe that's like forever big, right? And it's like a tiny, tiny, tiny speck of the entire universe. It's like less than 2% of the actual universe. But here's the most beautiful part of this, that in that tiny speck, we are swimming in this super string theory. And really it was like, imagine seeing a giant screen of all these strings of waves, all connected. And we are smack in the middle of it. So it's like, here we are on this tiny blue planet in the middle of a universe that is conscious. That is basically what science is telling us, that we live in the middle of an energetic universe that is responding. So you know those moments you've had when everything just kind of comes together and there's no here, it's like here and now is everywhere, and you're connected to everything? Those are real moments. And the reason you can have those moments is that you have 10 trillion synapses in your brain that are the mirror of the trillions and trillions and trillions of light years that surround us. And when we tap into that space, we're connected to all of it because we're energy. And the force behind all of that is love. So that's the science lesson for the day, kids. Try and digest that. Trust me, this is all science fact. And here's the beautiful thing. All of the most significant mystics, spiritual teachers that all of you follow, I don't care what religion you follow, they've all been saying this. Love is the way, because love is the energy that goes through all of the whole universe, beyond what we can see. So God bless, and amen, and namaste.